Students, our next topic is potential at a point due to a group of electric charges. Let us suppose that there are a number of point charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Qn at distances r1, r2, r3, rn from the point P where electrostatic potential is to be calculated. Suppose there are a group of charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Qn at distances r1, r2, r3, rn from the point P at which electric potential is to be calculated. Now, potential at P due to charge Q1 is V1 is equal to Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1, because potential due to a single charge is given by Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. We have calculated it in our previous topic. Similarly, potential at P due to other charges are potential due to Q2 is V2 is equal to Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R2. Potential due to charge Q3 is V3, which is Q3 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R3, and so on. Vn is Qn upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. Now, using superposition principle, the resultant potential at P due to group of charges is algebraic sum of potentials due to individual charges. This means resultant potential at P is sum of potential due to Q1 plus potential due to Q2 plus Q3, so on. Resultant potential at P is sum of potential due to individual charges, that is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus up to Vn. Now as the value of V1 is Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1, value of V2 is Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R2, and so on. Value of Vn is Qn upon 4 pi epsilon naught Rn. We can write it as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught कॉमन आ जाएगा, Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus so on Qn upon Rn, or we may write it as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation Qi upon Ri. I is from 1 to n. Therefore, this is the potential at a point due to group of charges. If we consider that charge Q1, Q2, Q3, they are at position vectors R1, R2, R3 and so on, R2, R3, R4 with respect to origin O, and we have to calculate potential at a point P whose position vector with respect to origin is R0. Then potential at P due to charge Q1 will be V1 will be Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R10 vector. R10 is vector from Q1 to P. Therefore, we may write it as Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R10 vector is R0 minus R1 vector. Similarly, V2 is Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. V2 is R20 वेक्टर हो जाएगा R10 की जगह, तो ये हो जाएगा Q2 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट R0 माइनस R2 वेक्टर। ऐसे ही अलग अलग चार्जेस के कारण निकालेंगे और टोटल पोटेंशियल हो जाएगा V1 प्लस V2 प्लस Vn। तो तब ये हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट समेशन I इज इक्वल टू 1 to n Qi divided by R0 vector minus Ri vector. Therefore, this is the potential at P due to a group of charges. If we have to calculate potential due to a continuous charge distribution having volume density of charge rho, then we divide this charge distribution into a large number of volume elements, each of volume dV. Now charge on a small volume element is Q is equal to rho dV. We calculate potential at P due to this small volume element and due to this volume element potential at P due to all these volume elements, and then take their algebraic sum. Therefore, we get the total potential at point P due to continuous charge distribution.